Oh, hey, Foundations friends. How you guys doing? All right. Well, what do I have here? I have some vowel teams. Let's just do these last four. Repeat after me. O-Y, coin, oi. O-Y, boy, oi. And these two. A-U, August, aw. A-U, A-W, saw, aw. Fantastic. And now for the two newer sounds that we did this week. Let's do it with the larger cards. We had this one and this one. PH bone, CH chorus k, CH chin ch. Okay, and how do we always mark digraphs? With a little underline, that's right. Okay, and today we are going to do some word talk. So allow me to bring up some words from this unit. Okay, check it out. So all of these words have CH in them. I want us to practice reading them and thinking about the sound that the CH makes. So take a look at this one right here. What's the word? Chris. CH says k. Okay, so when I highlight the word, I just want you to read it to me. What is it? Technical. And what does the CH say? K. What's this word? Chrome, like your Chromebook. Very good. How about this one? Schedule. Read me this one. Scheme. This one. Orchid. Good. Chorus. Echo. Stomach. School. Chemical. And one more. Ache. Very good. Okay, and now I want you to do the same thing, but read all of these words that have the PH sound for I'm just going to leave the screen here. This time I'm not going to read them all. I want you to practice reading them all. Okay, are you done reading? All right, we're going to play a game. I am going to act out one of these words, and you have to guess which word I'm acting out. Ready? Okay. Do you know what I am? A dolphin. Okay, here's the next one. This is when you see someone from the side, you see their, what is it? Profile. We have the sound in this one. Is it an F or a PH? It's an F in profile. Good. All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What am I singing? The alphabet. Very good. And the sound in this one is what? PH. All right. Two more. Ring, ring. What's the word? Telephone. And what's the PH sound? Okay, last one. What am I taking? Photograph. Here's the word. Fantastic. Okay. Nice job with that game and that reading. And that's a game you could always play at home. You could do it with Pictionary, drawing the words instead of acting them out. All right, my friends, and we are going to get into a dictation just like we did yesterday. So you should have some composition paper from your teacher. Okay, like this. Today, you're going to do everything, and then I'll show you the whole thing at the end to check your work. So it's kind of like a test. We're halfway through this week's unit. This first week was all about the CH sound and the PH sound, and next week's the silent letters I was telling you about. So digraphs and silent letters. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Okay, let's start with sounds. Number one, sul, like castle. If at any point you need to pause, if I'm going too fast, you should. Everyone's at a different pace. Number two, k, the 4 ways to do k. Number three, olt, like colt, olt. And number 4, 2 ways to do that sound. Okay, you should have all 4 sounds done, and we're going to go into 2 review words. Here's your first one. Brownies. Do you like to eat brownies? And number 2, graceful. Ballerinas are very graceful. Okay, hop down to the current words, and I have 4 for you. Here's your first one. Schedule. It's important to know your schedule. Number 2, pamphlet. Sometimes at the doctor's you can get a pamphlet that teaches you about something. It's like a brochure. Pamphlet. Pamphlet. Okay, so we did schedule, pamphlet, and number 3, phase. It's just a phase. Or does anyone know the card game Phase 10? Okay, and number 4. Let's do orchestra. The orchestra is like the band, but with string instruments. A whole group of violins and violas. Orchestra. Okay, so check your work. You should have schedule, pamphlet, phase, orchestra. If you're not sure on any of those, double check them. Okay, let's do 2 sound alikes. Sell. I am going to sell my car. And number 2, in nighttime, I like to sleep. During the night, I like to sleep. Which night is that? So you should have sell and then night. Okay, let's skip the trick words. We did those yesterday. And we'll go down to 2 sentences. Here is your first sentence. We'll receive our class schedule on Tuesday. We'll receive our class schedule on Tuesday. Check over your work. We'll receive our class schedule on Tuesday. Okay, and you should also be pausing here if you did not finish that one yet. And then one last sentence. We must take care of the atmosphere. We talked about that the other day, remember? We must take care of the atmosphere. We must take care of the atmosphere. Okay, pause, check everything over, and then I'm going to hold mine up for you to check with me. Here we go. Check over your sounds. Check brownies and graceful. Schedule, pamphlet, phase, orchestra, sell, and night. Pause right here to check all those and fix your mistakes. Do it, fix them. Okay, and now here's the 2 sentences. We'll receive our class schedule on Tuesday, period. And notice we'll is short for we will, the contraction with the apostrophe. And number 2, We must take care of the atmosphere, period. Okay, after you've checked and fixed anything, read over it all, make sure it's smooth, and you're done for today. You're done.